recently announced its AI assistant, Gemini, will expand from smartphones to more Android devices, including smartwatches, in-vehicle system, TV, and the upcoming XR devices. The all-day assistant on smartwatches, Gemini is set to debut on Wear OS smartwatches, allowing users to access it without needing to take out their phones, and it's easy to use. For example, when a user asks for restaurant recommendations from friends, Gemini will extract relevant information from the user's apps and display it directly on the smartwatch. A new smart driving experience. In the Android Auto in-vehicle system, Gemini will replace Google Assistant, providing more natural voice interactions. Once Gemini is connected to the user's communication apps, it can not only read and summarize messages, but also translate replies and send them directly. Entertainment and learning on TV. Gemini is set to launch on Google TV, act as the user's home entertainment assistant. When a child is curious about the solar system, ask related questions, Gemini will play relevant YouTube tutorial videos. Immersive experiences on XR devices. The Android XR platform developed by Google in collaboration with Samsung. In the future, when planning a trip, users can browse destination videos using XR devices, maps, and local recommendations. Quickly create an itinerary. Japanese AI startup Sakana AI has launched a brand new model architecture, known as the Continuous Thought Machine, an AI system inspired by how the human brain operates. The biggest feature of CTM is the introduction of the time dimension, enables AI to move beyond making instant judgments, but instead can think like a human. Think through step-by-step reasoning, improve understanding and explainability. Traditional neural network models can only produce immediate results based on the present input data, neglects the important factor of when neurons send signals. However, in our brain, the timing of neuron signals is essential for learning and cognition. CTM was developed based on this idea. Each neuron is able to recall its own behavioral history and make deeper inferences based on past information. Besides, CTM also emphasizes the synchronization and coordination between neurons, making the whole system function like a rhythmic thinking network. This design has delivered impressive results. For example, in maze-solving tasks, CTM is given a 2D maze map. It doesn't give an instant solution. It gradually observes different parts of the maze. Plan a path through the maze. Researchers can actually see how the attention of the CTM moves across the map, just like how humans use their eyes to search for an exit. Even more interesting, such problem-solving actions are not human-engineered, but learned by CTM itself. With more reasoning steps provided, it's capable of solving mazes that are more complicated than during training, proving that it has truly learned the solution, not just memorizing the training cases. During image recognition tasks, CTM also demonstrates capabilities beyond traditional AI. Traditional models usually view the entire image once before making a decision, but CTM observes different regions of the image step by step like a human. For example, when recognizing a gorilla, CTM initially concentrates its attention on the eyes, then focuses on the nose. At last, it observes the mouth, mimics the human visual scanning pattern. Not only does accuracy improve, it can also automatically adjust its thinking time based on image difficulty. NVIDIA has launched its latest video analytics AI agent. It is a multimodal AI system with visual reasoning and language understanding capabilities. It is capable of interpreting videos, understand the context of the scene, and interact with users using natural language. Demonstrates more human-like integrated understanding and response capabilities. Traditional image analysis applications and development processes mostly rely on fixed functions. Limited models can only detect and recognize a few predefined object categories. With the support of generative AI and foundation models, today fewer models are required to build powerful apps with powerful perception and rich contextual understanding. This new generation of vision language models is powering more intelligent solutions. A next-generation visual analysis AI agent arrives. Whether live monitoring or video playback, Users just ask questions in natural language. For example, generate a report on the incident that occurred this morning on Highway 88, or identify any unsafe behavior, and record potential environmental hazards. AI can respond based on the visuals, helps managers quickly get key information from videos. No need for manual review or coding. This technology will be deployed in factories, warehouse, retail stores, airports, and transportation hubs. Significantly improves operational efficiency and on-site intelligence. Built on NVIDIA's AI microservices platform, NIM3 integrates vision language models, large language models, enables flexible and efficient intelligent perception and interaction. GenSpark has launched a new feature, one-prompt downloads, seamless integration with super agents in AI Drive, no more hassle with files, boosts overall productivity. One-prompt downloads, just type a simple command in GenSpark, for example, download the XX file. GenSpark will automatically search online or in the cloud. It locate the corresponding file and start the download, from searching for the file to downloading and smart naming, all the way to intelligent categorization and organization. Everything is fast and well organized. Supports various file types, from PDFs, images, videos, music to Office documents, and more. No matter what kind of digital content the user needs, GenSpark Download Agent handles it all easily and efficiently. Seamless integration with super agents in AI Drive. When users store files in GenSpark AI Drive, by saving files, users unlock the innovative super agent feature. Users can edit images with various tools, or ask super agent to analyze any file. LightLab is a single image lighting control method based on diffusion models. It offers fine-grained and parametric control over lighting effects. Users can precisely adjust the intensity of light sources, color, and ambient light, and they can also insert virtual light sources into the scene to alter the overall lighting and shadow atmosphere. The image processing workflow uses a small number of real photos to isolate lighting variations and generates light source components through a large number of synthetic rendering images. This workflow allows for the extraction of lighting variations from real images and uses synthetic data to precisely control the visual effects of lighting components. Linear color composition. In a linear color space, based on different configuration settings, combining local space signals with global control, and projecting them into the text embedding dimensions, finally processing them through a cross-attention mechanism. Light source intensity. Light switch provides parametric control over light source intensity and ensures that under varying intensity levels, the lighting and shadow effects remain physically consistent. Color control. LightLab provides parametric control over light source color and generate corresponding colored lighting effects based on user input. Virtual point light sources. By transferring lighting knowledge from synthetic 3D renders, LightLab can function without relying on multi-view inputs or scene geometry. Can also achieve high-quality results, highly controllable lighting reconstruction, and virtual light insertion. Ambient lighting. LightLab separates target lighting from ambient lighting, allowing users to control the light entering through windows. This is difficult to achieve with traditional physical methods. Thanks for watching.